making a video. Water's high. We are bombing up the Fish River. Day before Easter, beautiful Saturday, about 75 degrees.
Oh yeah.
Brand new Fish River Bridge. Right now, the captain's contemplating if we can make it up or not.
Oh yeah.
Gardner thinks we can make it
Oh
up.
yeah. Just
Throw the life jacket on for good measure. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a waterproof camera, so if they find this after I die, true life, Ben Ryu, how he lost his life. Signing off.
That fucking pushes hard by that hero.